Southwest Southwest in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit this shit, then brawl, spread and 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 brawl. Demon now. Heal up, come south, boys, brawl south, stabilize, spread your Judies, lahat ng Judies, please drop. Okay, hold. We're going to engage on the middle. Oh, no. On the middle in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the middle now. Hit the shit. Then brawl. Spread Judy. Help each other, boys. Heal up. Heals on Mr. C. Dropping Judy. Play on the Judy, boy. Plays on the Judies. Play on the Judy. Plays on Judy. Spread. Keep rolling southwest. Okay, we're going to engage southwest. Southwest in 5, southwest in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Inside. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Keep brawling. How many healers party to? Keep brawling southwest.
No healers party to.
Okay, we have 4 healers, boys. Okay, ready? Demons now. Demons while brawling. Open na ba yung ano? 1 minute. Keep brawling. Okay, we're going to hit inside us. Inside. In 5. Inside. In 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Inside. On the ground. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Push northeast. Spread. Drop Judy's, boys. Dropping Judy on the north. Spread. Keep brawling. Spread, boys. You're too clumped up. Spread. Demon. Okay, we're going to hit inside in 5. North, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's fucking big, boys. North. Then brawl. Keep brawling, boys. Keep brawling. Spread Judy's, boys. Spread. Pop your pots. Spread. Keep brawling. Spread, boys. Spread. Look for healers. Ito, may namark akong healer. Come southwest. Come south. Spread, boys. Spread. Demon now, Miss Stalker. Okay, look southwest in 5. In 4, in 3, southwest, in 2, in 1. Hit the ground. Sabayan nyo. Then brawl. Keep brawling. Regain comeback, boys. Regain comeback. Keep brawling. Here's on Sion. Come out. Come out. Oh, tilted din siya.
Hindi mo kailangan na labanan yun agad. Dapat nag-wait tayo ng konti. May 3 minutes pa before ano. Okay lang ka.
Hindi naman, pero okay naman yung state kanina. Hindi ko lang patan.
Come out. Bakit wala tayong damage? May something wrong ba? Sobrang...
Nag-roll din ata yung clock.
Ano nangyari? Wala din kumukonek sa akin eh. Maski si 70s frustrated siya ngayon kasi wala siyang damage. Hindi ko sure is it the comp?